Is the bull market over, or is Bitcoin about to go absolutely parabolic? As of right now, Bitcoin is currently trading at about $94,000. As you can see, Bitcoin has been trading between about $88,000 and $110,000 for about 62 days. So it's definitely very safe to say that we have witnessed a very healthy consolidation period. Oftentimes before a big move, you need a decent sideways, if not slightly down sideways movement. And honestly, it's just been going straight sideways. So that is very bullish. So again, we have been in this zone for about 62 days, but if you zoom out, you can see that before our last major move upward, we also had a consolidation period here. Now this consolidation was about 247 days. So a lot longer, or at least I hope that was a lot longer than what we're going to see here. But all in all, very healthy price movement in my opinion. So with that being said, I think we are very on par to see a strong move to the upward here soon. Now, outside of just Bitcoin price, let's talk about mindshare, right? Because ultimately we're waiting for the masses to come in, everyone to ape into crypto, everyone to ape into Bitcoin, prices go up, everyone's happy. When's that going to happen? Well, not right now. If we look at Google Trends and we search for Bitcoin, you can see that the relative interest is actually very low. The peak being back in 2017. Retail really has no idea what's going on yet. So this definitely is a decent indicator to say that retail is still behind. And then another good way to test retail pulse is looking at the Coinbase app downloads. Coinbase is currently ranked 158 in the App Store. Around times of, insane price movement from Bitcoin, Coinbase tends to move up to the top 10, top 5 in the App Store. So definitely really far away from that currently. Again, just another sign that retail is lagging. But with all of that being said, Bitcoin's price is still essentially at all-time highs. We're trading at the mid 90s, 100,000s, and retail interest is not at all-time high. So I think that is another very good indicator. We did just have a Bitcoin halving on April 19th of 2024. So the creation of Bitcoin was cut in half. That happens about every 4 years, the Bitcoin halving. Usually it's a signal of a bull run initiating. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, I have calculated kind of the average amount of time that it takes post-halving for Bitcoin to reach its all-time high of that cycle. I got an average of about 401 days. And as of right now, it's only been about 269 days. So definitely still have a long way to go as far as being at our all-time high of the cycle. In my opinion, everything's kind of right on track. And then the next major catalyst that has occurred for Bitcoin is the BTC ETFs. I think that they have been overall performing very well. If we look at the flows here, you could see we've had a few red days, but overall we have seen over $36 billion of net inflows from the ETF. So that's just absolutely insane. With BlackRock leading the way, and of course Grayscale is the leading seller, so don't know what they're doing, but very, very bullish. I think that these inflows will only continue to pick up, so looking good there. And then last but not least, probably the greatest catalyst that there is, Donald Trump is about to walk into the Oval Office in 6 days. Absolutely insane. Crypto has literally been in a uphill battle with the government, the United States, the SEC for so long. The SEC would literally try to file a lawsuit against anybody that's trying to innovate in crypto that's in America. This has definitely halted a lot of innovation and has pushed a lot of companies outside of the US. We just haven't had the right people in the right spots to make that even possible. So that is all about to change. We went from having a potential 45% tax on capital gains to Donald Trump claiming he's going to give zero tax on capital gains in crypto, but I don't think that's possible, but it will definitely be substantially lower than it was with the previous administration. So all of that is coming to an end. Donald Trump is, as you may know, teaming up with Elon Musk to really fix a lot of the spending problems going on with the US government as of now. As you probably know, they have created this whole entire government agency and actually named it after the king of meme coins, Doge being the Department of Governmental Efficiency. Awesome. Of course, Elon Musk is running that. So with all that being said, with everything I've showed you, everything I just talked about, to all the people that think that the bull run's over, that Bitcoin's going back down to 60K, you're wrong. Within the next 200 days, I believe that Bitcoin is going to reach $200,000. I believe we're going to see a alt season like we have never seen before. And I think that'll be coming here in the next few weeks. And I'll actually show you why right now. So this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, you can do a little bit of TA on this and you can see that it really looks like we are ready to bounce off of this resistance line. If you zoom out, you can see that we have touched this major resistance as well. I think that we are going to be looking for some downside in the Bitcoin dominance, which basically this means that a lot of liquidity is going to roll out of Bitcoin into our altcoins, sending them absolutely flying. I know a lot of us have been holding our altcoin bags for months, if not years. So this has definitely been a long time waiting, and I think it's right around the corner. So I'm really bullish on Bitcoin here, really bullish on our altcoins, and I'm absolutely overly bullish on everybody who is involved and invested in the crypto space right now. You rock. I hope you haven't been shaken out by this recent consolidation phase, as this is one of the oldest tricks in the book, a classic bear trap. Basically, they're trying to shake out less convicted holders so that big money and institutions can grab your entries. So don't be that guy. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're bullish on Bitcoin, and I hope you have been scooping this little dip that we've just seen. I know I have. That is it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you at my next video. Peace.